Yo, what's up guys? For today's video, we're going to Toledo City to attend Toledo's first Joyful Boarding Festival. With me is Hervey, skater boy from Davao. We're heading to Talisay City to pick up Paul. Now Paul is with us. We're heading to Toledo City. We're now here. We're very excited. Welcome to Toledo City, char! So sila kong mga kuyo guys, kami ubana. Og sa dihang namin ang bantayan nagbaktas mga familiar faces. Oy, asa man ni gipunit?
Pasil, gipunit is pasil.
Ate, abi na ko gibuo sa makon.
Dili ka sa baka, sa tao ka.
Kay ni ana manggug ko ni Earl, sabak lang ka Earl. In town ko magbaktas pa sila pila pa ka minutes pa dong sa event. So guys, we're here na. Heart, where are you Heart? Nagunaon na naman ka Heart. Na si Heart diha. Pero dili jud niyang final location guys, ngadto jud sa North City Central School. Oh, na ni diri Heart. Wow, nice view. Hi guys, from Talisay City to Toledo City. Yes, with the boys Paul and Hervey.
Davao. From Davao.
Padagadagan na rin ako ang skateboard. Ako ni tagak ang board guys. Di ara na nas AJ diri nang hasi na diri sig skate. Guys, na jud si Heart guys atong artista.
Oh, na yung board.
Oh, salamat Heart, salamat sa nag-sponsor ha. Walay bayad ha, bantay lagi pa bayron ta. A big shout out to Salamat Skate Project Sir Ray Ray. Thank you so much. Tistingi lang good. Sasali na yan. Pak, ga-drive puro motor oy.
Sakay guys.
Sakay chin. Oh guys, palitay minig nyo tubig dito ha, ice. Oh, 500 para dilita mauhaw niya. Oh. Okay, amping, see you guys. See you later. Be safe, ride safe. Thank you. Very good, very good. Okay, mayo dahil kamaora di dahil sa Heart drive boy.
Palandungan di ba?
Yawan ko kay.
Uy, kuyawan ko no siya Heart.
Mga ganagya kagatdog ha. Nagko, ganay mo ha.
Ngiga ning Heart naninda po siya hotdog diri oy.
Uy, hindi to eh. Kalamit ba ninyo? Crush din Trina.
Oy, Trina girl, limong crush oh. Pak to ara ready na tong migo diri taga Davao. What na siya thank you? Ready na, dapat na.
Holding a final on the first floor.
Oh. Oh.
AJ, get ready. Judges, get ready. Timer starts coming. Following approach tag on the east ring.
Playa siya sa stage.
Oh! And last but then we have Martin in the down. Oy, Mark Kraska.
Gipanghanay nilang skateboard guys, Willian kinsa tagaan ba?
Nila ko tay jud.
Ay, bonyo, kana sila eh. That's what ako wheels stick. Ay na lang sila. Di ba na ko'y magbuot? So here are some of the skaters who were chosen to receive a new board. A massive shout out to Sir Ray Ray, Salamat Skate Project. Thank you so much. Syempre, dawato na tong blessing no para po mabless sila sa mot.
Being one of the sponsors here at last thing. Okay, last one.
I don't know how to do that.
Guys, so pamarin ko mga uyab jud guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, Marjeline Dedal.
Followed back to field the big brand in the backward game radio.
Guys, sorry kayo, wala dyan ako mabidyohan tanan skater sa kay mapuna akong storage niya. Katurang familiar faces ako nabidyohan.
We're going to start with a half-cut nose with that. All the block rope and follow with a kickflip right there. Backhead twisted grind. And kickflip backward. There we go. Right down the right into the round. And a front shot in the hole with start with a twisted grind. And follow. Front board attack all the 30 seconds. 5-0 in the big race.
Pakto ara nagpailog si Marjeline og wheels. Tanawa guys kinsa nakakuha guys.
Di dumog na ni.
This time we'll give a chance to all. We have our surf skaters.
Pagkabiliban yun akong AJ, appeal po siya surf skate competition, oh. Batang may laban. For the rest of the night, guys, we enjoyed the moment here in Toledo.
What's up? Hello.
Hi.
Uy, magaling ka sa dalan. Agi. Namalit po big pan guys para ipakaon na mo sa mga chikiting. Salamat kay Paul sa budget.
Gabi ha ka talented aning bataa. Uy, talented jud siya.
Biliba na jud, hurot na jud akong believe nimo AJ. AJ dauga ha, dauga. Pwede 20. Ana 20. 20 utang guys.
Naana ni sa pantalan guys. So, magkaon na sila kan. Biyahan lang sa nato sila mga tag Jollibee. Ampere. Dalaan o po. Oh, sudanan na. Di ba heart? Oh. Kala gravy.
Ade mo wife.
So guys, we are now having a fishing session diri sa Toledo. Grabbing the chance nga maka-fishing si Paul. Wa jud ko ka video uban awarding guys nga na busy mig tabi.
From San Fernando again, AJ Saavedra.
Lagi dayon ba kay mga bata? Oh. Tricks ha, kay di ka kasakay kung ba kay tricks.
Batay motor loyo.
Palipay ang mga bata ba?
Ano tayo? Ha, bitir na to.
So maora to guys, gamay skate lang kay kung dugay mi di jud mi kauli ani dayon. Pakto ara mo ni ako makuy pauli baby girls, baby boys. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and follow for more videos.